Hello folks, today we are going to be installing a B&M Z-gate shifter in my 66 Pontiac. We had to do a little modification. Even though it's a brand new shifter, it felt a little clunky on lifting the lever up and when you kicked it into the next gear. So I got a repair for that, and let's get on into it, get this project done. Come on. Hey folks, welcome to the Dark Hollow Garage. We've got the shifter installed. Now we did use self-tappers, which is not something I wanted to do, but I'm by myself and I couldn't get underneath to put the nuts on the bolts. But we plan on having the transmission out of this here in the future, so we will make that correct later on. But for right now, it's bolted in good. We've got our cable going down into the floor. Nice smooth transition through the carpet down there. Now on this shifter, when you pull up on the lever, when it went into gear and you go back one more, when I would tap it forward, it didn't have a really good positive hit where it clicked in. So I added this spring right here so that it has a really good click. See that? She just really clicks right into place. This is the factory B&M Shifter base that I cut the chrome top off of, and I'll show you why. I made a plate to go over where the factory shifter mechanism went, and then I bonded the chrome B&M piece to the top of it. Kind of made a nice little unit. Alright, we've got the console reinstalled, got our tack back in place. That shifter's looking right at home right there. Loving it. Okay, so the top side's done. Got my dirty old clothes on today, my dirty hat. It's time to get dirty. We got to go up underneath now. Let's get it over with. So this is a brand new shift kit. New in the box, never opened. We've got a few pieces here. They go to Fords and Dodges. I think that's a Ford there. That's a Ford there. One of them C6, one of them C4. This is Turbo 400, which is what we're going to be using. And this is the GM one. So, here we go. Alright folks, I spared you the actual install here, but using the Turbo 400 bracket, everything is hooked up using the GM shifter arm. Goes in the center hole. Has to go in the center hole. But she's all installed. Time for test drive. Now B&M, I just got to say something here. You know the little hole in the piece where you put the cotter pin through? Why don't you guys make that just a hair bigger? That was the most fight I had on the entire shift install. Well, that's it. Successful test drive. Shifted great. Everything went fine. And now we got a floor shifter. And guess what I did when I went to pull out? I went to grab the column shifter and put it in drive. Sure did. I was like, ooh, floor shifter now. Alright folks. Well, I appreciate you. Catch you next time.